Hello everyone. If anyone want to know about the business model of Reliance Jio, then definitely this video for you. I'm going to share some slides from where you can get knowledge about business model of Reliance Jio. So first slide about it, Reliance Jio services and offering. You know what? Reliance Jio 4G services will open for everyone to avail from September 5. It's offering 4G data at such cheap rate, unlimited voice call, unlimited 4G data at night. However, there is a still lot of confusion in the market how they are offering 4G data at such cheap rate and how they are providing unlimited voice call to every Jio customer. How are they offering unlimited 4G data at night? It's really simple. Most of you are going to pay the same or probably more money to Jio compared to your current network provider. After reading this small presentation, you will realize what a clever businessman Mukesh Ambani is. However, Reliance Jio has caused a ripple in the market, forcing many rival telecom operators to slash their price for call and data rates. After launching services by Ambani, Airtel and Vodafone has to reduce their prices because if they want to compete with Jio, then they will have to reduce their prices because they have no any other option to compete with Jio. In order to compete with Jio, Airtel and Vodafone has reduced their prices. And all one curious to know about why Jio provide unlimited calls at cheaper rate and why at free of cost. Well, I tell you one thing: when Jio launched their unlimited voice call and unlimited data at free of cost, that time only some people have only 4G phones. So it's very difficult for you to charge something for voice call because if they start to charge, then no one show interest in Jio. But Jio offer at free of cost. Then if person have no 4G phone, he also interested to buy 4G phone because of free voice call and unlimited data. If you know about pricing strategy, Jio follow predictive pricing. In predictive pricing, where the charge a low price in order to gain market share. In this pricing strategy, many businessmen has to follow by this pricing strategy because every businessman want to gain market share by charging low cost. So what will happen when Jio launch their services? When Jio launch their services, then share of Bharti Airtel dropped 6.37% to settle at rupees 310.7 on BSE, and about Idea 10.48% to rupees 83.70. After launching their services by Ambani, later to Jio, Airtel and Vodafone has reduced many customer and they suffered loss. However, at close the combined loss amounting to rupees 11983 crore. So question come, what is the business model of Reliance Jio? Everything Jio has done till now is intent at making money. Their tariff plan may look unbelievable, awesome, but they will make more money by giving free voice call than what other companies make by charging you for it. In the India monthly average revenue per user, the current network provider get around rupees 150 per month. It is money they get average from each user. If you spend over rupees 250 per month, you are considered a high value customer. If you know about what the minimum plan of Jio start at rupees 149 rupees. If you want to take unlimited something, either voice call or unlimited internet, so you will have to pay at least rupees 149. So according to that, Jio has average revenue per user is rupees 150. I'm going to share some plan, definitely you know about it. As like there is a 249 rupees plan for 28 days. It's providing 2 GB per day with some subscription like Jio Money and any other app. So there is a one question that why plan would you choose? Which plan would you choose? If you are voice only kind of person, then you would be okay with rupees 149 per 28 days, as you will get free unlimited voice call. But even though you are not explicit paying for voice, you are already paying rupees over 150 per month. Their average revenue per user will by default be good as the current player. And in order to know about average per GB cost, suppose you buy a plan of rupees 599 for 84 days and you will get 2 GB per day. So average cost per GB of this plan is 3.56 rupees per GB. If you notice that when Jio launched their voice call and data services, that time they provide free of cost. After 1 year, they start to charge something which is less than other competitor. But nowadays, they start to charge more than other competitor as like Airtel or Vodafone. There is a two question which is mainly concerned by every person. Then how can they provide unlimited night data and how can they provide unlimited free voice call? So we will discuss about first question, how can they provide unlimited night data. First, once you have built an entire network infrastructure, it is really doesn't cost anything for the network provider to give you internet data. The reason why most internet providers limit your data is basically because they don't have enough bandwidth to handle so many data. In the case of Jio, they have already laid an awesome fiber optical network which is designed to even handle the 5G and 6G, so they don't have much of data bandwidth problem. Maybe some person didn't get some points, so let me explain what is bandwidth. The maximum amount of data transmitted over an internet connection is given amount of time. So for other competition like Airtel or Vodafone, they have a bandwidth provided, they can provide limited access to internet, but this is not a problem for Jio. That also a reason that when it launched they're able to provide at free of cost. And second question is how can they provide unlimited free voice call? Again, Jio has an IP network that is very good for Jio, so all voice call will go through the internet just like Skype or WhatsApp. It is near not really any point in charging for voice anymore. It is outdated system and there should not really be any surprise in why Jio totally abandoned it. If hypothetically Jio had an traffic for voice call, then some company similar to WhatsApp would have launched an app through which you can do free voice call over the internet. Once everyone has good internet connection, people would anyways use such services to make their calls. Okay, so question can, is it good? As a customer you will get 2 to 3 more value for your money, yet Jio will make as much profit as existing telecom by pricing thing different. If you know WhatsApp has a free voice call through app, that type of system followed by Jio, so there is no any cost for Jio to provide voice call, but Jio can make money from it. Where there is an app device, any fiber services are added up, there are here to win multiple business vertical, and at the current stage they are almost unstoppable. Yes, we need company like Reliance to make such bold moves and invest in India. This is good for everyone. It is win-win situation. It will increase the progress rate in India and will improve the quality of life. It will give much needed job to millions of people. Definitely it's very win-win situation for every customer, because in telecom industry where they charge more price before, but now when Jio launched these services, every Airtel or Vodafone has to reduce their prices. It's win-win situation for customer because they will have to pay cheap rate right now, and definitely Jio has provided employment to many person in India, so it's a good move by Ambani. That's in telecom industry, and that's all about Jio business model. I hope you get some knowledge. Thank you so much.